Hello, my name is Tazu Basashvili and this is my final project for CS50 called Study Buddy. Study Buddy is a web application that helps students improve their studying habits and stay focused. First, let's start by creating an account for Study Buddy, which can be done in the Register tab, which is located in the top right corner. In here, we input our desired username and our password. After we click register, we will be taken back to the login page. In here, we input our username and our password. And this will take us to the index page. In here, past study sessions will be shown. Right now it is empty. Index tab can also easily be accessed by clicking this button in the top left corner. If we want to log out, we can easily do that by pressing the logout button in the top right corner. After this, we can log back in once again. If we want to study, we press the study button next to the logout button. In here, we can set the timer for how many minutes we want to study. And after we input our minutes, which minimum is 1 minute and the maximum is 120 minutes. After we click start, the timer will start. And after the timer is finished, we will get a notification like this on our computer. And then this input field will show where we can write the notes on what we did during this study session. Right now I will just type in test, and after we click submit session, we will be taken to the index page, and in here it will show the past study sessions. First, it will show the timestamp on how long when it finished. After that, it will show how long it took, and then it will show the notes we wrote. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed learning about Study Buddy and how it can help make studying more productive and organized.